Good morning, everybody. This is Cruiseman, and welcome to a special edition of Cruiseman's MOTOVLOGs.
This video is sponsored by Southern Honda Powersports.
What makes this special is this is going to be part of a several-day road trip, and there will be a few different videos coming out chronicling this trip. I'm on my way right now to meet with Robert White from Robert White Moto. If you're not already a subscriber to his YouTube channel, make sure you check it out. And he and I are going to meet up at a Starbucks in Frisco, and then we are going to be heading to, well, tonight we're going to be heading to Dumas, Texas, where we'll spend the night, and then tomorrow we'll be riding all the way up to Colorado. It's about 6:17 in the morning on Sunday morning. You can see there's almost no traffic as I'm on my way to Starbucks to meet up with Robert. And I thought, rather than have you look at this boring ride to Starbucks, let me show you what I did to kind of get the bike prepped up for this trip. Now, some of you may already know that Robert White and I are going to be heading to Colorado for a few days to do a road trip. He has a home up there in Colorado that we're going to be staying at, and we're going to be riding up there tomorrow. Probably take us 2 days to get there, 2 days to get back. I think we're going to spend about 3 days there, something like that, maybe 2 days. So, and you've heard me mention it before, I live in the noisiest neighborhood in Dallas-Fort Worth. I've always got lawnmowers, leaf blowers going, so I apologize. Oh yeah, there's the leaf blower. That's what I've been waiting on. I thought I'd walk you through and show you how I've got the bike packed up for this road trip. Just kind of show you what I'm taking with me for like a 6 or 7 day trip. Okay, first of all, let me show you my electronics. I've got my 360 camera mounted here, as well as a mesh port red from Sena. Now what this does is this will allow me to record to my Ace Pro, because this connects via Bluetooth to the Insta360 Ace Pro, and it will let me record the conversations between Robert and I as we ride. I'm not sure how much we're going to use this, because it's using the mesh intercom, and it's not great audio, but it is audio, and it will record anything coming through that mesh intercom. I also have the remote control for the Ace Pro, and then I have my Insta360, the 360-degree camera, and all of this is on my action mount from Traction, mounted to the rear view mirror mount. Okay, let's come around here to the left side of the bike. Well, first of all, let me show you my bag. I'm using the Chronox backpack. You can see their brand there. I've reviewed this in the past. I'll put a link to that review. And it'll hold everything I need. I don't take much. I'm just taking a few shirts, underwear, socks, and some toiletries, and all of that fit into that bag. Robert has this big, huge bag he's taking, and I've got these rock straps going through the little D-rings, holding it in place. I could have laid it flat. I could have laid it flat on the seat, but it kind of interferes with the backrest, so I left it like this. And what's nice about it is I can still open my trunk. It doesn't interfere. But this one, I can open the trunk. I'm going to probably keep my laptop in here. I haven't got it in here yet. I've got some microfiber cloths over here in my show chrome trunk liner. Of course, I've got my cap. You got to have the Shadow Wing cap. You cannot do a road trip without the Shadow Wing cap. Shop.cruisemansgarage.com. I've got my little handheld tripod for the Ace Pro, and I've got a larger tripod for the Ace Pro. I'm taking both of these. I keep a little spray bottle of water to clean the windshield. Got my sunglasses, and over here I've got some hand wipes, and I usually keep my sunscreen in here and a few other little trinkets. nothing much. But my laptop will go in here, and I can still fit my helmet in here. If we stop for a restaurant or something, I can still get my helmet in with the laptop, believe it or not. It's great. Love the bigger trunk on the 2023. Okay, let's go look at the left saddlebag. Show you what we've got over here. I've got my liner from my Olympia jacket, and I'll be using this also as a lightweight jacket when we're in Colorado in case it's a little cool at night. This works great as a standalone little light jacket. I've got a few more microfiber cloths down here. This is where I normally keep my rock straps, so I've got an empty little bag here. These are the show chrome saddlebag liners that I use. I've got my bike cover. This is the half bike cover from Ultra Guard, which is another big bike parts company. Set that up here for now so I can show you what else I've got in here. Now this is a rain cover for my new Olympia jacket. They put it in this real nice little bag. So if I do need a rain cover, I've got that here. I've got my Fantic screwdriver, power screwdriver / drill, just in case one of us gets a flat tire. We can drill it out and plug it. Robert is going to be bringing the tire plugs and all that. I think I've got some also. This is my Fantic tire inflator. Now Robert, we're splitting up the stuff we're bringing between us. I'm bringing the tire inflator and the drill and the bits. Robert is bringing the Scosche jump starter, just in case one of us needs a jump start. You can't probably see it back there in orange. You might see a little orange back there. See if I can get the camera back there. It's hard to see, but it's a little first aid kit I carry with me everywhere I go. And I also have this, these are my Rode microphones, wireless microphones. Let's go take a look at the right side saddlebag. Okay, so what we've got here, I've got some tools. I think I also have some rope plugs in here. I keep this is another one of the show chrome saddlebag liners. I've got a pair of pliers. I've got a Leatherman tool down here. I've got some silicone tape. And over here, I've got some, I think I've got some fuses, just in case somebody blows a fuse. I've got a little thing of duct tape I keep in there. You never know when you're going to need duct tape. And then I have a pair of walking shoes. You can see them, these Skechers. I've got the walking shoes up here in case we want to go somewhere for a walk. I've got some more electronic cables and chargers and other stuff in this little bag. Back here, I have another microphone. This is my DJI wireless microphone. And then I have another little package back here of some more electronic batteries, batteries and for the Ace Pro and stuff like that. Now down here, the yellow, those are my my cold weather gloves, gauntlet gloves, just in case it gets really cold going through some of those passes. I thought it'd be a good idea to have those. Little cubby. I've got a flashlight from Pathfinder LED it's very bright LED flashlight. I've got some more cables if I need. I got a lot of cables. Of course, I got my Carlin kit, wireless CarPlay adapter. I have some more little hand cleaners, some tissues, and that's pretty much it up here. Robert and I met for a cup of coffee and shot a couple of little YouTube shorts, and before long we were on our way. Sun was just kind of coming up as we were leaving the Dallas area. We were actually making pretty good time when we got to Amarillo, so we decided to stop for lunch at Texas Roadhouse and relax a little bit before our last 45 miles up to Dumas. This Cruiseman's road trip is sponsored by Southern Honda Powersports. If you follow my channel, you know I recently traded my 2018 Goldwing for this beautiful new 2024 Goldwing Tour. Even though I was not planning to get a new bike, the team at Southern Honda made me an offer I couldn't refuse. I actually rode my bike 850 miles from Dallas to East Ridge, Tennessee to pick up and ride my new bike home. Riders routinely fly in from all over the country to buy their Goldwings from Southern Honda Powersports. Maybe that's why Southern Honda is the largest Honda Goldwing dealer in the US, and maybe the world. The dealership is massive, and you can't believe how many Goldwings they have in stock in their showroom. I was extremely pleased with the deal and the service I received at Southern Honda, and I think you will be too. When you're ready to buy your new or previously owned Honda Goldwing, I encourage you to visit southernhonda.com.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
After we left Amarillo, the rest of the trip was only a 45-minute drive up to Dumas, Texas, and the weather's been pretty good today. Can't really complain. Miles and miles of nothing but miles and miles of straight road.